So for the veggie burgers, I've got 250 grams, so like 7 ounces of veggie rice, frozen veggie rice that I've defrosted. And then we want 3 tablespoons of flour. I'm using almond flour. Big pinch of salt. And an egg. And then I'm just going to stir. Okay, and then I'm just going to put some oil. And then I'm going to divide my mixture into 2 piles. Great, and then I'm going to bake at 250C, 400F, 480F for about 10 minutes. Great, so when the veggie burgers are cooked, they'll feel springy and they'll be a bit browner on the edges. Just going to pop, I've got some hummus just in my plate there. Get my veggie burgers on top, and then we'll pretend that it hasn't fallen apart. I'm going to dice up some lemon, so just cut the peel off. And that's just half a lemon for one person. And you want to chop any seeds out. Okay, beautiful lemon. It's going to make an amazing sauce, and then I'm just going to pop some mint or other herbs over the broken bit.